Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I will show you how to carry out the supervised land use change between the year of 2000 until the year of 2020 using QGIS software. So first we need to create a virtual band set for our clip file. So go to band set and then insert all of this and choose the wavelength unit, wavelength quick setting to Landset 7 because this is for the year of 2000 and create a virtual raster of Landset, then click run. And we need to save this file in the raster, and use after we have set the virtual Landset to 3 to 1 and we can continue with the SCP doc. So we need to activate the SCP doc, go to view, and then go to panels, and then go to SCP doc. So we need to create a new training import and save it as unused epoch. And now the first step is we need to set the MC ID to 1 and the MC name for the first macro class is vegetation and the class name is we set for forest. And then we need to go to the ROI tool and then activate the ROI pointer. And we need to choose the place which are likely to be the forest, and we can adjust the distance. So now we have done for vegetation and the for class of forest, and then for grass. And now we will go for the second ID, which is water, and I will set this to cloud first. And as you can see, this is our cloud here. And then the next one for water is for lake. So now we will move on to the soil, which is bare soil. So now we will do for the build up and residential area. So after we have set our macro classes, we need to add the catchment area. So open the properties table and then we need to add a field and we call it as catchment area. Decimal number 10, length 10 and division will be 2. And click OK. And then we need to use sign dollar area and put it at the cache area. And then we need to click update all. So we have to get the cache area. And then the next step is we need to go for the buffer before we go to the intersection because we need to avoid any failure. So we go to buffer and then we click land use epoch and then we change this to negative 0.001 and then we can save the file as land use buffer and then we can click run. And we can copy the selection of the style to this land use buffer. And the next step is we can go for vector and then go straight away to the intersection. And for the intersection, we need to choose the layers buffer for input layer and the input shapefile for the overlay layer. And we need to save them. So we need to click run. So now open the attribute table for the layers intersection and we need to add another field, class area. Click OK. And then for this class area, also we need to go for standard again and click area. Assign it at the class area and click update all. Next, we need to add another field, which is percentage. And then we need to open the expression dialog and we just click class area over catchment area times with 100. Then we click OK. So we need to set this on the percentage column and then we need to click update all. So we have got all of the percentage of each class and we need to repeat this for the year of 2010 and 2020.